Vintage Apple products. I love talking about Apple products. It's basically like one of my favorite things to do. And I kind of wanted to get a place where I can share about my Apple products and talk about stuff I like about them and stuff I don't like about them. I was looking on Reddit for a community that I can share my love for Apple products, and I found this one place called Vintage Apple. There's a lot of cool stuff that people have, like vintage iMacs or maybe some old PowerBooks. I thought that was really cool, and I was like, hey, I kind of want to show stuff that I have as well. I sent in some pictures of an iPod mini. No, they didn't want that. Okay, I was like, fine, maybe it's just an error. Because it says, hey, we're scanning it, making sure it's not spam, right? We're making sure we're not violating the spam rule. Which is fine, you can have a filter that, gets rid of the spam and everything, but it wasn't spam, it was just me talking about an iPod mini that I got. Even though it didn't violate any of the rules. And you wanna know the number one rule is? No Apple products after the Intel era. Which is fine. I'm okay with that, But the iPod mini came out in 2004. That was 2 years before the Intel era. So that's fine. You know what? A few months go by, everything is fine. I try to post about it again. Hey, I have an iPod mini. It's loaded with music, and I thought you guys would be interested in that. Boom, taken down again. Why? Who knows? And just tonight, I took a picture of a Macintosh Classic that I saw in a repair shop today. I thought it was really cool, so I was like, hey, this is perfect for vintage Apple because, it's really early Apple. 1990, that's when the Macintosh Classic came out. And now it's in the process of being filtered and everything. I bet you it will get removed for just no reason at all. You wanna know something? They don't tell you if your post is automatically removed. They don't tell you that. If it's removed, you don't get a notification at all. You click on it next day, and it'll just be like, nah, moderators removed this for some reason. So I sent them a message. I'm like, hey, I've been in the subreddit for quite a long time, and I've been wanting to show my own products. And every time I try to post them, they get deleted automatically, and they don't tell me why. I follow the rules, I don't violate the Intel era, rule, I'm still waiting to hear back from them. Hopefully I do, because this is really annoying. I want to show Apple products that I have, but every time I try, it just gets ruined. I have a feeling this community does not like me. But hey, I found a place where they actually accept my posts, and that is r/Mac. They actually let me post a picture of my 2010 MacBook Pro, and it was like, wow, a community that doesn't delete my post as soon as I post it. Look, there it is right here. 9 upvotes, it's still up. There's even comments. There's active people commenting on the post right now, and I'm replying to them because I'm actually engaging in this community, and I want to do more with a community that has the same interest as me. Anyway, some Reddit communities are annoying. They don't like certain people, I guess. I guess they don't like furries. Honestly, not surprising.